Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Nutella biscuits. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line a baking sheet while you measure ingredients. Cream butter and sugar until light and add egg and vanilla, then fold in flour. Chill the dough briefly for easier shaping, then scoop balls and press a Nutella dollop in the center. Bake until golden and cool slightly before serving for best texture and flavor. Start by creaming room temperature butter and sugar until light and airy, then add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Stir until combined, and gradually fold in measured flour until a soft dough forms. Avoid overmixing to keep biscuits tender. Chill the dough briefly to make scooping easier and to prevent spreading in the oven. This simple sequence keeps textures consistent and flavors balanced for reliable results every time. Hey, if this tutorial is helping you, please subscribe and like. It really helps. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that can change how you think about money, which pairs humorously with baking treats and budget tips. I keep a copy near my recipe cards for inspiration and thrift-friendly ingredient swaps. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Scoop the chilled dough into roughly 1-inch balls and gently flatten each into a small disc. Add a teaspoon of Nutella in the center, then fold edges around it or sandwich 2 discs for filled biscuits. Space them on the lined sheet and bake for 10 to 12 minutes until edges are golden and centers feel set. Let cool on a rack so fillings firm up and biscuits keep their shape and crunch.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.